What's good with you guys? We're gonna make a fire remix today using AI to our assistants to extract the stems. So this is gonna include the acapellas, drums, and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna check out LALAL.AI to help us out with this. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna come over here to stem splitter. You can choose up to 20 files here, which is really dope. We're gonna start with one of my tunes. We're just gonna extract the drums and see how that does. Drag this in here and give it a second to load. Here is just the drums. Wow. That actually sounds legit. And here it is without the drums. Wow. Creating this song myself, listening to this actually is pretty impressive. I could actually use those drums and chop them up or add some new drums to it. Let's check out this tune right here. Wow. And here it is without the drums.
But you got me feeling some type of way.
Okay.
Loving you ain't about feeling none.
Now let's extract the vocals from this. Let's do vocal and instrumental. So it's gonna process that. All right, let's check out these acapellas.
Ain't about feeling none. But you got me feeling some type of way.
Not bad.
Loving you ain't about feeling none, no. But if I'ma keep it straight.
So I could tell that it's starting to pick up that arpeggiator that I use. I could see how it could pick that up as a vocal. Now I do want you guys to know that they have a voice cleaner option as well to remove background music, vocal plosives, mic rumble, and other unwanted noises. So if you downloaded the acapella already and maybe it's too noisy, like it has too many artifacts in there, you could definitely run it back through this and get a better result. So I'm actually curious to hear some of these other splitters because you get all of these other options. You got drums, bass, vocal and noise, electric guitar, so on and so forth. Check these out at your leisure. Let's check out the bass. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's check out the whole track without the bass. That's actually good. I could actually recut the bass to that track. That's actually dope. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is get one of my smoother tracks and we're going to remix it. So let's come over here. Let's grab this.
Little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. Cause with time comes change.
Okay. Now, once again, guys, do not forget about the referral program. If you do decide to start up, you get 10 minutes for free, and then you can invite someone else and get an additional 5 minutes. And you can use my link below to get started right away. So I'm going to walk you through the extraction process. We're going to extract this and then work on a dope remix. So once you find what you like, you can go ahead and do process the entire file. Once you've done that, you're going to get a notification saying that it's basically going to send the download links to your email. Cool. So here in the email, we have the vocals track and then we have the track without vocals. So we're going to go ahead and get the vocals track. And now we can throw this into our session.
I need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. Need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. Need a little grace, just need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. I need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. Need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. Cause with time comes change, and that's
Yeah, this is a crazy vibe for sure. About to put some reverb, a little bit of reverb on his vocal because it did take out some of the reverb. I think I'm going to just use some H verb from Waves. Let's just send some of the vocal to the verb.
Just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. But when I need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time,
let's put a little compression on his vocal.
Need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. But when I'm feeling down, yeah, I can't get around it. Things always go crazy.
That's fire. We'll put a little EQ on the verb.
Need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time comes change.
Put a little delay on his vocal too. Do a little low pass, a little high pass on it. I like to do a little ping pong. That's just me though.
Need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way.
Woo!
But when I'm feeling down, yeah, I can't get around it. Things always go crazy, like something's trying to break me. Sometimes I feel down by mistakes that hang around, and sometimes I can't take it. That's why I need more grace then.
All right, so here's what we got.
I need a little grace, just so I know that I'm okay. 'Cause with time comes change, and that's all I need to find my way. But when I'm feeling down, yeah, I can't get around it. Things always go crazy, like something's trying to break me. Sometimes I feel down by mistakes that hang around, and sometimes I can't take it. That's why I need more grace then.
Now, they do have a sale going on right now. At the time of shooting this video, the sale is going to end soon on March the 26th of 2023. You can spend $30 and get 300 plus 50 minutes, and your download limit is 2 gigabytes. And so you get the audio and the video if you decide to rip a video. MP3, OGG, Wave, FLAC, all the other options for you. Now, I'm definitely going to use this beyond just remixing because you can literally do sound design by extracting the drums, artifacts from the synths and bass, etc., etc. Now, if you guys want to level up your production, check out these videos I got fired up for you right over here.